Making money online is not easy at all. But it's not that difficult too if you are following a proper path. Without these following 3 things, making money online will always remain a dream for you. Hard work, perseverance, patience. If you think you have got the above-mentioned 3 things, then let's jump right into the topic. Below are some of the most authentic and legit ways to earn money from home. 1. Freelancing. If you are into making money online, you must have heard the term freelancing. But what does it really mean? Freelancing means working on a contract basis rather than on a regular basis for a company or organization and getting paid for an hour of work, days of work, or per project. 2. YouTube. Nowadays YouTube is booming like anything. More and more people are coming to YouTube to find a solution to their problem, to learn something new and to entertain themselves. With this increasing popularity, YouTube is also becoming a money-making machine for content creators. Yes. In case you don't know, you can earn a decent amount of money by creating YouTube videos. Although YouTube videos don't pay by themselves, you can make money by placing Google AdSense ads on your videos. Of course, there are other ways to make money on YouTube, but for now we will stick to Google AdSense. The more views and clicks your ads get, the more money you will make. 3. Blogging. Blogging basically means writing posts on any niches on the internet, which are updated frequently. You can write on different niches which include but not limited to personal journals, news, technology, health and fitness, gaming, parenting, or any other topic you are interested in. Blogs are quite possibly one of the best ways to earn a passive income, even while traveling the world. While starting a blog might be simple, you will need to put in the work and the effort in order to reap the benefits. Plant the seeds now to enjoy the harvest later. 4. Affiliate marketing. These days almost every product is available online, whether it is as small as a needle or as big as a car, everything is available online. And people are inclining more and more towards buying products from online stores, maybe because of the easy accessibility of products and convenient home delivery system. These online stores need to advertise their products in some way, and affiliate marketing is one of the many ways they promote their products. So affiliate marketing is a form of advertisement in which the affiliate, in this case you, promotes the products from different online store in his/her blog or website through a unique link, generally referred as affiliate link. The affiliate gets a commission when someone buys a product through that link, then, generally some percentage of the price of the purchased product. In addition to signing up for individual affiliate programs, you can also sign up for an affiliate ad network that offers a ton of different affiliates in one place. That way, you can see what works and what doesn't work over time. 5. Selling on eBay or Craigslist. A large subset of our society is earning a full-time income by selling items on Craigslist and eBay. You can do this by selling your own items, or you can help sell items for other people and take a small commission. Selling on eBay offers more friction than Craigslist, and you'll need to establish solid reviews before you can begin to move high-ticket items. While there are many options to make money without investment, it will take time to scale them. Also, the best option is the one that coincides with what you love doing, because that is the only one that will be long-lasting. Hope you enjoy our video and earn loads of money from your passion.